Hey everybody! So I have a whiteboard, I have a marker, and I'm ready to show some things I remember doing. So let's do a quick review. Directions. Draw a blank clock. Now, it makes sense to use the whole space of your whiteboard. Start up at the top and number around the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't put any hands on yet. That's the second part. So pause the video and finish your face for the clock. All right. The first thing I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you use two colors, if you have them, to show me what 9 o'clock looks like. So the first part is going to be a shorthand pointing exactly at the 9. The second part is a longhand pointing way past the 12 all the way up here where it's 0 minutes. 0 minutes. 9 o'clock looks like this. Hour hand, minute hand. Too easy, Mr. W. I remember this. This is like review from what we did before. Yeah, that's the whole... Oh, boy. Okay, so now this is not quite as easy. This time I'm going to start with the 30. That's the easy part. I'm going to come down here and do the 30. Sorry about my wiggly hand there. Okay, so I've done the 30. Now I want it to be 3:30. But I'm not going to point my hand right at the 3 because that was true at 3 o'clock. But remember, every minute that ticks, that 3 hour hand starts moving toward the 4. And right now, it's halfway there. So it's going to be half past. So you should be aiming for right about there, right? Halfway between the 3 and the 4 is what 3:30 looks like. Don't put it right at the 3. Put it half past. In fact, sometimes moms and dads, grown-ups, instead of saying 3:30, would say half past 3. And that's what they mean. The hand is halfway past. A little bit trickier, but still review. Something that you probably learned even last year, to be honest. Okay, here's another one. 4:45. I'm gonna do the minute hand first almost all the time. Because that one's really straightforward. I can find the 45 just by counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I know right where it goes. There's the 45. Done. Now, in order to do 4:45, you have to kind of understand what's been happening. At 4 o'clock, the hour hand pointed right at the 4. 4:30, it was half past. But now we're getting closer and closer to 5 o'clock here. We're just 15 minutes away. It's getting really close to 5. So I'm going to aim almost near 5. Not exactly, but almost. 4:45. One more to do. Probably the toughest one. Oh, see what I've done here? I've just given you some random time. So we're going to do the minutes first. 22. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Ooh, too many. So I know it's somewhere in between 20 and 25. 21, 22. I'm going to aim for that one right there. So that's 22 minutes. 22 minutes past 5. So it's not quite halfway there. It's probably still looking mostly like 5:22. Yeah. And that's a really short hour hand, but you get the idea. One of them definitely should look shorter than the other. It's a little easier to tell which one's which if you're being nice and using two different colors. Then it doesn't really matter so much. But sometimes my old eyes can't tell which one is which. Thanks so much, everybody. I'll meet you on the next slide for the problem of the day.